What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to close or delete your LinkedIn account. So here, as you can see, I have my LinkedIn page opened on my computer on the browser, and what you want to do is go to the Me section here under your profile photo at the top right corner, click on it, and then click on Settings and Privacy. And from here, make sure Account and Preferences is selected. It is the default option that shows first. Then what you want to do is to scroll down to the very bottom here. You'll see the Close Account option. If you click on it, it'll ask you if you are sure you want to close your account. Let's click Continue. Choose a reason for which you want to close the account or delete the account. So let's choose anything. Click Next. So what you want to do here is enter your password here to confirm it is you. And then if you want to unsubscribe to the email communications, and then click Done, and your LinkedIn account will be closed.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.